Hello, ESL team. So I can already see you guys doing something you shouldn't be doing, right? So when I go to the Civics Co-op, this is a master class. It's a template class. So I can see that some folks are already using it as if it is their own class. So someone put a lesson 1 here. Yeah. You don't want to do that. Someone already did a lesson 2 and a lesson 3 so we don't want to do that, right? Okay. So what you want to do, guys, is if you like certain things in here, which all you have to do is just go ahead to the breadcrumbs at the end, and you're going to pull this in, send it to yourself, right? You're going to pull it in to your civics class. So you actually have a class. You're going to go ahead and pull it in to a civics class, right? That's what you're doing. Okay? So you don't need to pull in the entire curriculum. You don't need to do that. You have a master of it. Okay? So all you need to do is send the modules one by one. And you can work together on that. So every Wednesday, you could say, hey, why doesn't someone go pull in lessons 1 and 2? Yeah, why don't you do that? Okay. So I try to give you the master list in advance, and I can see people playing with it. Okay. So it's okay. It's easy to mess up. It's all right. Okay. So what you want to do is you can use these breadcrumbs over here, right? Super easy to do. So this is the master template class that I shared with you. And so what you want to do is go through and pull whatever assignments that you would like to do. Okay? So how do you do that? You go to the modules and you'll pull in this entire module. So if you go to the breadcrumbs, you can copy to, for example, the civics classes, right? So you can already start to type and go civics, right? Civics 4. So I can copy this first module to civics 4, right? Yeah, like that, right? And if I want to, I can copy it again to civics 5, right? Super easy, right? So that's kind of when you don't bring in the entire course, right? Just use what you need. So then when you go into your civics class will be a bunch of modules that make sense to the students. And that's what the students are going to see. So I wouldn't pull in the whole course just because that's going to be very confusing. And then you can go back and forth and keep this one kind of clean. And then you can create your own lessons from your Burlington in here. And so then you'll just publish it and drag it in as needed, right? So you'll decide based on your level, right? So that's what I would do, okay? Hopefully that clears it up for you guys. Thanks.